Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson. This is today's Tàijíquán Tip. And today's tip is to consider that if you are in a public place and you hear other people talking nearby, like at the next table, in the next room, on the other side of the room, that sort of thing. You might tune into it and be able to make out what they're saying, and you might then care about what they're saying, and you might not. You might just generally be aware that they're talking. And generally, when our own voice comes into our head, not through our ears, but it comes into our head through other means, we can clearly hear it. We clearly care about it, like this is important and necessary and perhaps urgent and certainly interesting and always right. When we hear our own voice come into our head, we don't kind of give ourselves the opportunity to say, I'm aware that there's talking, but I'm not interested in it. I'm not trying to derive meaning from it. I'm not trying to give it primacy. And so the practice here for your Tai Chi tip is to practice when you hear the voice in your head, just hear it as if it's somebody across the room having a conversation that you're no part of. And this does not mean that you do not listen to yourself or your body or the rest of the being, right? It's still possible to maintain influence over the body's actions and thereby be practicing Tai Chi or Tai Chi Chuan. But the practice here is not to just reflexively give primacy to the voice in the head. And so hear it with a little bit more dispassion, a little bit more disinterest, a little bit more disengagement, and enjoy that. And maybe do your best to keep your teacher's voice in your head, not just when you're practicing. Thank you.
Here are all the ways you can help besides online reviews and subscriptions. Thank you, thank you, thank you.